Imagine a world where AI doesn't just follow orders, but thinks and acts independently. Agentic AI is reshaping the landscape of artificial intelligence, offering unprecedented autonomy and adaptability. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Unlike traditional AI, Agentic AI autonomously makes decisions and adapts to changes. This innovation allows businesses to automate complex workflows, enhancing efficiency and driving new levels of innovation. Autonomous agents operate without human intervention, breaking down complex objectives into actionable steps. This goal-oriented learning is a cornerstone of Agentic AI. Adaptive decision-making allows AI to adjust strategies based on real-time data. Multi-agent collaboration further enhances efficiency, achieving common goals through seamless coordination. AWS provides tools like SageMaker for AI model training and optimization. Use AWS Lambda and step functions for autonomous decision-making, streamlining complex processes. Amazon Kinesis and AWS Glue facilitate data ingestion and processing. Deploy AI agents on edge devices with AWS IoT Greengrass, bringing intelligence closer to the action. Agentic AI is set to redefine enterprise automation with AWS. Generative AI and LLMs will accelerate innovation, transforming AI-driven decision-making into a powerhouse of efficiency. By embracing Agentic AI, businesses can revolutionize operations and customer interactions. Start your journey today and unlock the potential of AI-driven automation with AWS.